Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk Daily US Equity News in Brief for today, 9th of March. Sentiment was dented in Europe today following some negative comments on sovereigns out of rating agency Fitch. Stocks did move to the downside after Fitch said that the UK and global economic outlook was uncertain. It did note that the UK sovereign credit profile had deteriorated, but nevertheless was still within the tolerance of a AAA rating. They also said that the Greek bailout was too uncertain to factor into the rating at the moment, and that Portugal could be downgraded if consolidation was seen as insufficient. Fitch said urgency was the greatest for the UK, Spain and France, while there was no pressure on the US credit rating in the short to medium term. As a result of these downbeat comments, sterling slid against the dollar and the euro, while the Japanese yen strengthened against most of its trading partners, and fixed income also has ticked higher. In terms of US equity specific news, Barron's has said today that MetLife shares remain cheap and sport a 1.9% dividend yield. Furthermore, for Texas Instruments, company raised the low end of its quarterly earnings and revenue forecast after market yesterday. Company said it was struggling to fill orders in time as demand for chips rose faster than it could make them. In other news, for Cisco, the EU Commission extends reviews of companies' plan to buy Norway's Tambo, according to reports on Reuters today. On the broker move front, United Technologies has been upgraded to outperform from neutral at Cohen. Kraft Citigroup is positive on the company's acquisition of Cadbury and Pfizer stock, attractively valued at current levels. And Apple shares, their price target has been raised to $280 from $264 at Broadpoint Amtech. And on the flip side, Cigna has been downgraded to underperform from neutral at Bank of America. Comerica downgraded to market perform from outperform at BMO Capital Markets. So looking ahead, it is another quiet session in terms of data and speakers, though we will see the release of the IBD TIP Economic Optimism Survey for March, as well as the API weekly release after the US equity cash close today, while Fed's Evans is also expected to speak.